Hello guys, have you ever been asked what is your screen resolution and you have no idea what it means? In this video, I will show you what screen resolution is, why it matters, and how to check yours in seconds. Welcome to KinspireTech, where we fix, learn, and build tech solutions for everyday people. What is screen resolution? Screen resolution simply means how many pixels your screen displays. It's usually written like this: 1366 by 768. The first number explains the width of your screen, while the second number is the height. More pixels generally means you have a clearer images and text will be more clearer on your screen. So we'll look at what is an aspect ratio. An aspect ratio describes the shape of your screen. So why the screen resolution talks about how many pixels that appears on your screen, the aspect ratio explains or describes what is the shape of your screen. Most modern screen uses what they call 16 by 9, which is called a widescreen. And why it is important is because it's very important for watching videos, screen recording, designing graphics, presentations, and even online meetings. Why is screen resolution important, or an important thing to know? First, knowing your screen resolution will help you to choose the right wallpaper for your computer or your screen. Also helps you to actually record YouTube videos clearly. Buy the correct external monitor. So if you know your screen resolution, if you want to get an external monitor, it helps you to better make a better decision for that. It also helps you in fixing display scaling problems. Maybe when you are trying to project your projector or trying to connect to an external monitor. So knowing the screen resolutions and the aspect ratio helps in actually doing that. And also lastly, it actually helps in designing graphics without distortion. So most times you see some people when they design graphics on a computer, and when they open it on a wider screen, it becomes blur. So these are actually what it helps by knowing them, so you don't actually have those issues. And a quick one is how I'm going to show you how to check your screen resolution of your computer within seconds. So first thing you do, the easiest way to check your resolution is by using this free web tool, which I'll be showing you. Just right click, open a new window, go to whatismyscreenresolution.com and press enter, and instantly the screen resolution is displayed. And as you can see here, my screen resolution is 1366 by 768. Now below it also have extra details in plan. When you come over here, you can see more detailed information. So here it's telling you your screen resolution. Also here it's telling you about your pixel dimension, which is actually a wide screen resolution, which the aspect ratio is 16 by 9. So whenever I'm actually getting an image or a picture, whatever video I want to play, I know the aspect ratio I'm to select for my screen. And also my inner browser pixel is actually 1366 by 633. So the browser inner pixel is this. So it's very important and very useful for web designers, for students, and also for anyone recording tutorials. This is an important thing of fit you need to know. On mobile phone, screen resolution results may not always be accurate because of viewport. So viewport is actually how those content, the website is displayed on the phones. So different phones have different viewport, and it may be a challenge in this. Not that it will not give you your screen size, but it may not be accurate. And so that's actually why it's more reliable and more good. The results on the desktop are more reliable than those on mobile phones. So in summary, you now know what screen resolution shows your display size, aspect ratio shows you the shape of your screen, and also tools like this helps you to check it instantly. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your screen resolution below for more simple tech tutorials. Stay connected to KinspireTech, and see you in the next video.